Good day. My name is Peter Schrobler. I am the marketing manager at BA Protection Security Services and Projects. BA Protection Security Services was established in 2014 and operates across South Africa with strong roots in the Western Cape as well as up in Gauteng, Welkom, Bloemfontein, KZN, PE, and all across South Africa. The company is focused on protecting people's property and assets through structured, reliable, and proactive security solutions. The company is led by Mr. Benny Au, our operational marketing managing director, who holds an accredited security management certificate. He is supported by Mrs. Veronica Au, our office manager, ensuring smooth administration and operational coordination. Our vision is to position ourselves as a specialized and trusted provider in the security industry. Our mission is to set new benchmarks by combining experience, professionalism, and a wide range of tailored security services to meet our clients' needs. We focus on quality, accountability, and professionalism. We don't just provide guards, we deliver structured security solutions. Our approach includes strong supervision, continuous communication with clients, and ongoing training of our officers to maintain high standards. Our core services include the following: access control and guarding, patrol services and perimeter security, crowd control and event security, VIP protection, private investigations and crime intelligence, risk assessment and security planning, assets and equipment protection. We also offer specialized services such as asset in transit protection and forensic investigations. All our officers are trained, vetted, and CIRA compliant. We follow strict operational procedures, maintain strong supervision, and ensure continuous reporting and accountability. We also align with industrial standards and legalization, including quality management systems. We work across a wide range of sectors, including residential estates, commercial properties, retail, industrial facilities, events, and high risk environments. Our services are always customized to the client specific risks and operational needs. We take a proactive approach. This includes identifying the risks, analyzing vulnerabilities, and implementing structured security measures. We also offer full risk assessments and ongoing monitor and ensure continuous protection. Our core values are integrity, accountability, teamwork, professionalism, and respect for people. We believe in empowering our staff, maintaining transparency, and always delivering a service that protects both our clients and their reputation. At BA Protection Security Services, we are committed to deliver reliable, professional, and result-driven security solutions. We aim to build long-term partnerships and ensure our clients have complete peace of mind knowing their people and assets are protected. We at BA Protection Security Services are here to serve and protect your assets and property.